It's the dead bird of the week.
Oh, just like this bird. That's not one.
It's the dead bird of the week.
My parakeet Petey? Huh? He's dead. Oh. Oh man, I'm sorry, Harry. What happened? His head fell off. His head fell off? Yeah, he was pretty old.
It's the dead bird of the week.
Well, that's enough history lessons for one day. What do you think, Prof. Jacques?
Those who can't teach, preach, and those who teach also teach.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no! He's dead!
It's the dead bird of the week. It's the dead bird of the week.
How did somebody say goose? I'm cooking one right now! I'm not eating that.
It's the dead bird of the week.
Bro, the fuck is that?
Oh hey Jacques, I thought you died.
It's the dead bird of the week.
Petey? You sold my dead bird to a blind kid?
Lloyd! What do you... Petey didn't even have a head!
Harry, I took care of it.
Pretty bird. Yeah, can you say pretty bird? Pretty bird. Yes, pretty bird. Pretty bird.
It's the dead bird of the week.
Shut up!
It's the dead bird of the week.
In fact, we do it just for fun in our spare time, don't we, Scott?
What?
Haha! You can say that again.
It's the dead bird of the week.
John, stand back.
And that's how you skin a cat. Bird, I don't care, let's play the game already.
It's the dead bird of the week. It's the dead bird of the week.
And next, we'll be back in a minute with the heartbreaking story of the blind Rhode Island boy who was duped into buying a dead parakeet.
I just thought he was real quiet.
It's the dead bird of the week. It's the dead bird of the week.
John, save me. Me and your bird friend. Bark, bark.
What? How'd you get Jacques?
I have my ways. Now, to show I mean business.
Oh no! He's just a boy! Oh no! Oh!
It's the dead bird of the week. It's the dead bird of the week.
It's like I said, worst thing about Christmas, having to sit there and do Christmas, huh? Oh, what a boring stinker that is. Where's my goddamn eggnog? Joke's on you, stupid bird. Eggnog is poisonous to birds for various reasons.
It's the dead bird of the week. It's the dead bird of the week.
This isn't funny.